Welcome to Folsom Lake RV. Let us share you views of one of the highest quality units available in our inventory. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with triple slides, dual bedroom nightstands, large counter area, 3-burner range, bathroom overhead storage, bunkhouse wardrobe, corner angle shower, wardrobe with storage drawers in bunkhouse, over-the-range microwave. Folsom Lake RV has been in business since 1983. We've always been family owned and operated, and we know that buying an RV is a big decision. Our dedication to service, quality, and selection can assist you in making your buying decision easy. Talk with one of our knowledgeable staff and discover our hassle-free and pressure-free shopping experience that makes the buying process easy, fast, and more importantly, fun. You'll never spend more than 30 minutes making a deal. We believe buying an RV should be fun and easy. Folsom Lake RV, we specialize in fun. Visit us today at 11373 Folsom Boulevard, Rancho Cordova, or folsomlakerv.com.